Okay, I need you to remember that I asked you last time to go into that social cognition part and open these discussion forums, and you did open it, but you were not able to add discussion topics. I need you to understand that now I'm going to switch my role to a course participant, that it is you, and I'm going back to see what I will be seeing, which is what exactly you see. And this time, when you open the social cognition, you will be able to move there and click, and as you can see, you can add a new discussion topic. I'm going to show you again how we're going to use it, and I'm going to help you to start working on this assignment. We will be working online in a synchronous way. You can submit questions to me, and I will be away, but I will be checking the forum and I will be able to answer. I'm just not going to be in the school. So acting as you, I can add a new topic, and I remind you that you need to put a subject, and I want a subject your name. For example, Lizzie. I don't know who else will be. I don't know if it will be Charlotte, because you are friends. And the message is sat to discussion. This is your log. You need to keep a log of discussion as a proof that it is work, common work. You can go here, add a topic or a file. You can choose a file from anywhere. For example, I want you to choose this file, and you put it there, open it, and you submit it, upload it, and I will be able to receive. That's a big file, I'm sorry. Or you can drag it and put it there, but the idea is that I will be able to see the file attached soon. Now, what we need to do, what we need to practice on, we need to remember that, and then you have to go, sorry, I need to finish that. I have only 20% loading. I have to cancel it, I think, because it will take a lot of time, but when it's done, I'll choose another one. I will go and add a very small one, let's say this one, and I will delete it, open, upload, and it is very quickly there. Okay, and then you will post this to the forum, and I will be able to open it, see it, or you can write comments to me, and I will be answering to these comments. Now, I want you to go here, download it, or the teacher will give you a hard copy. If you open it, you will be able to see what I want you to remember, and you can download it if you want to, but I want you to remember that's a group activity. In case you cannot find a person, you can do it individually, but it is an oral multimedia. Remember, we saw the Prezi, we saw the PowerPoint with a voice over. You can record a video, but this is your scenario, on which scenario you have to demonstrate knowledge and understanding of the way attitudes of individuals and groups are formed and changed. And I want you to apply the knowledge to suggest solutions using psychological evidence from a different sources to formulate conclusions and work as a member of the team. So that's the scenario. Our Prime Minister worries about the attitudes of the boys towards drinking. This drink driving creates offences. This has increased 23% in this age group. So he is trying to make a campaign to change the attitudes of the males. And he plans to throw out a very expensive and extensive advertising campaign. And he is looking for your advice because you are his psychologist, advisor on psychology. Okay, now this is what I want you to work. You have to find and respond on this. One of the factors that may affect the formation of drink driving attitudes on males. Okay? I want you to remember, we discussed it already, attitude formation, if you remember the previous discussions, factors affecting attitude formation. We're talking about indirect experiences, direct experiences, learning, all these things. And I need you to remember that we have to be able to discuss it, okay, in depth. Demonstrate your knowledge on this. You can use books, you can use other knowledge, you can go to a psychology about and you can discuss this. Now, I want you to discuss also, present and discuss the two routes of persuasion that can be used. So you have to explain to me what's the central route and what's the peripheral route and how he can use these ways, what he needs to address. I think that you can still use these information from this slide and any other slides or any other information we have used until now, okay, or the books, or you can go and search online. I have some articles for you. And what I want you to remember is that you have to describe the campaign of the one specific route and explain to me what kind of route is that. And one of the factors that affect where the attitude change is successful and how you would advise Jay to use this factor. Okay, one of the factors that affect whether this attitude change is successful. Okay, I'm going to let you think. You need to discuss on this last one, and you need to find your mind there helping you, how you can make your campaign successful. This is what is asking you. Do you need to discuss the processes, the sources, the channels of communication? I don't know. What I know is that still you can find information here, somewhere there. Okay, in this kind of setting. Now, you have to use psychological terms to communicate your knowledge and you can start working. This is one of your two lessons. Please use it effectively. It is your lesson of collaboration and I'm expecting you to use the page, okay, to use this discussion forum and ask questions and I will be answering questions. Easy, Angela, Gemma, Grace, from the top of my mind. Remember how we used that in the past, last year? Could you please help the others? I'm going to make the video of this and I'm going to upload it on Daymap. So please